All right, here we are again. We reset the Halloween zombie pumpkins, and we're going to try another weapon, which is the one right next to it. It's a 223 Smith&Wesson MP15 banana clip. These are the rounds. These rounds are a little smaller, but they're longer. So we're going to see what kind of damage we can do here, if it's as good as the other 458. And we're going to have Golden Goat shoot, and then I'm going to shoot after that. So, all right. Go ahead, load it up. Well, you hit it. Hit the bucket. Hit the bucket.
I'm trying.
Got it.
It's on safety. Flip the switch to downward.
Okay. All right, let's see what I can do here. And that's the end of that. The other gun worked a little better, but this one did just as good. And for all you Walking Dead fans out there, Sunday is the start of the new season of The Walking Dead. So this is just a little warm-up for the movie. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it this time around.